Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam says government will develop a Sadhu Chiru waterfall into a major tourist spot. BJP Manipur President Chauba declares that former DGP Joy Kumar will be expelled from BJP if found guilty in Sanjeet fake encounter case. Organizers of mass rally for common future of Manipur appeal to unsummon KSO to call off a national highway band. And the 6th 57 Mountain Division Polo Tournament kicks off at Imphal Polo Ground. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandra Wangkimcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam today stated that harmony among the people can be achieved only when all religiously abide by the teachings of the faith they follow. Speaking at a closing function of the first men's conference of Chiru Rem Baptist Churches Association that began from January 29 at Sadhu Chiru Baptist Church, Gai Khangam said no religion teaches violence and killings. He said apart from keeping faith in one's own religion, one also needs to respect other religions. Deputy Chief Minister also assured the gathering that government will pay special attention to develop the much sought after Sadhu Chiru waterfall into a major tourist spot. Taking the advantage of the opportunity, IFCD Minister Ngamthang Haokip, who also attended the closing ceremony, asked the people not to trust in BJP, which is making much noise recently. He also maintained that Congress will continue to rule even after the 2017 general elections.
Aina ningjariba lining laisonse phajana ninglaganda thabak aina pangthokpa Islam is Islam phajana tatpiu Christian akoisu Christian phajana chatsi Hindu chinau singsu koi Hindu dharma se phajana ngapna chapakanda dharma koding teaching da phattaba mi ha mi pullu habi teaching yaudi maramadana akoi spiritual value leiba punsi marendo le makanda ingna tapna leiba adu punsi mdo oigani haibase Sadhu Chiru waterfall and around this sports na mokai infrastructure semgatuna tourist singi accommodation pinaba tourist spot oibada mayamna lakninaba aduguma destination ma oidina ba sembiu haidona leriba scenic beauty ase Manipur punam tagatana mapan da leiba mi phing phangpa masi waterfall se masi sakhanglabani chumne nature na pirapista a little bit of infrastructure se semgat pasima thau tai.
Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh President Thanawalajam Chauba has declared that the party will expel former Director General of Police Yumnam Joy Kumar if he is found guilty in the Chungkham Sanjeet fake encounter case of July 2009. Speaking to media at a press meet at his office at Nitai Pachutek, the BJP leader demanded that Chief Minister Okremi Bobby Singh and Imphal West SP Dr. A.K. Jaljit should also resign immediately. He maintained that as confessed by Head Constable Thanawalajam Hirojit, it is known that Imphal West SP Dr. A.K. Jaljit, who was then the additional SP, gave the order to Hirojit to kill Sanjeet. Chauba said Jaljit is the main accused in the fake encounter which occurred when the Chief Minister held the home portfolio. He questioned why the government has not suspended the SP from service, referring to the election of the President of the BJP Manipur Pradesh. Chauba said as the general elections are drawing near, the election of the President is not held. He said his tenure has been extended for some time.
Imphal West ki SP na hojik phawa mangona karim bhauk tawdra leibse tawninga tawjo hairibra government na hairibsi ya government na haige so haijo public na haige so haijo aikhoi di karim tawroi SP se lauthoi transfer su tawroi ma dum lehani hairibra chief minister na Home Minister Policy ki daitwa ni jire Gai Khangam ki daitwa ni lei thokpa yaroi court case lei subjudice oi kai subjudice oi botu na te logik lo isidi hanai dun encounter ki case ni handak na fake encounter case ma open tor para Home Minister ki opinion karino seng na hayo DGP Joy Kumar mark palli base indirect oi adubu mang kumba da natana ai so ro mi so le lalam bada punamak singado party dagi wang balan bai city neom da lejabani.
Former Army Chief General K.V. Krishna Rao, who played a key role in the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War, died in Delhi yesterday at a military hospital following a cardiac arrest. He was 93. He also served as the governor of Manipur, Nagaland and Tripura from 1984 to 1989. Chiran Rao was the 14th Chief of the Army Staff of Indian Army and had an illustrious career spanning over 4 decades in the force. Langthabal MLA Karam Shyam donated half of his salary to help students who have lost their father. Speaking at a function held at Lilong Chajing Marian Khong Lekai Community Hall, MLA Shyam said he donated his half salary to help 457 students. He expressed the hope that his contribution will help them in their education. The MLA extended help to nursery students to those who have completed masters. Today's function was organized by Langthabal Kendra Widow Welfare Association.
Andang angang samriga adi yangkai tarete mating pangmani yamna sempam moidrasu angang samri yangkai mangagi resor punina paisa ka harag di lupa lak yan hazaba gari leituk aga tungthuk pa yai iban ai yum masa amda lebani yum saba bokta bungkak chawbi yum masa ba kona ba senpon adubu angang singa si mi oina ba sembut pa kang chawbu dai tama ati aina moibu phani hai ba wakalon se moida piraga moibu pungning thogatti haibagi dawnta aina thawak sinje tawbuni.
Police bomb squad today removed a bomb from Bamdia Lamkhai in Bishnupur district and safely exploded it this morning. The IED was discovered this morning around 10 near a drain on Bamdia Lamkhai road by a team of Bishnupur police, which informed the bomb squad. The IED was safely exploded in a field in Bamdia Lamkhai around 11 a.m. Now, United Committee Manipur President Ilangbam Johnson, who is also the convener of organizing committee of the mass rally for the common future of Manipur, has appealed to all Naga Students Association Manipur and Kuki Students Organization to call off the National Highway Band starting from the midnight of February 1 in view of the mass rally on February 6. Speaking at a press meet held at the office of UCM and attended by the representatives of AMUCO, CCSK and UCM, Ilangbam Johnson said the mass rally is for the future of all the communities living in the state and also appealed to all to take part in it, leaving the differences of organizational and political affiliations. He also appealed to the people of the state not to call any ban or blockade on the day.
Ansam amasung case ona education ga mari leinaba wafam amada Manipur gi National Highway singda indefinite ban nama tawiri basi organizing committee gi mahut sinjaraga convener ama oina hairiba ban si khudakta masi handopinanaba haina appeal tawjari hairiba numit asigi mangoina na kariuba makal makha amatagi general strike ban chingba tawidanaba haidana nolukna appeal simaka tawjari numit asida sarkar gi loisangdagi hauraga lanai loisang singda thabak tawiriba minister sing MLA sing adagi politicians sing noinaba numit asida isagi sintha adu lepiraga tangai phadana apunbagi akoigi pangal adu udanaba yari makai isagi jurisdiction da laibiriba akoigi rajniti gi dol sing gi laibiriba punamaksu magi oiba masa marong sing adu akoi hairiba rally asida noinaba saru yahanbinanaba akoi Michael gi appeal tawjage.
Meanwhile, United Naga Council has called for a 48-hour general strike from the midnight of February 4 till the midnight of February 6 in all hill districts to press its demands. In a press release, the UNC Publicity Wing said the story of Nagas and the tribal people in Manipur has been one of the marginalization, victimization and discrimination and domination. It said the system has resulted in systematic degradation and obliteration of history, culture, identity and right to land and resources, and finally crucified the Nagas and the tribal rights on the floor of the Manipur Assembly on August 31, 2015 by passing 3 anti-tribal bills. Religious programs, earthquake-related activities, medical, electricity, water supply and media fraternity are exempted from the band. Now, protesters have decided to intensify agitation demanding conversion of Jiri College into government college after the arrest of students, including the General Secretary of KSO in connection with the band called on National Highway. They are demanding immediate release of the arrested students. So, District Committee Jiribam President Urembam Sanjit told about their decision to intensify the protest to media. Awareness program on oil and gas conservation fortnight 2016 concluded today at Tangkhul Baptist Church, Chingmerong. The awareness program was organized by Manipur Gas Service, Misao Gas and Lambodara Indian Service from January 16 under the aegis of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. The fortnight program was held with an aim to spread awareness on using petroleum products, especially cooking gas and fuel efficiently, and measures to prevent any mishaps. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Manipur Prant today organized Path Sanchalan from Khurai Brow Ground till Thangweban Thau Ground. RSS Manipur Prant Sanchalak Aribam Brajukumar said today's event was organized to mold the character of the youth and make them good citizens of the state. Today's function was attended by Manipur senior RSS members.
Hot pretty much me the Loila Hariba, Mission of Fatra would come to Yadaba. Other me could much away Panaba, Aduki of Seneca Honor one. My model Kande, Maricari Kande, Loidabula Aganda. As soon as I don't know Honda Panida. Other me, characters of morals, one casting way like I would not have one way Geneva. Aduki Pandam Nakuna walked over.
Media Incentive Thea Home Library Trust Haubomarak today presented Best News Analyst Award to Chief Editor of Kangla Pao Pukrambam Ibo Choba at a function held at Manipur Press Club. Dr. A. Ibomcha, Head of Regional News Unit AIR Imphal, spoke on the role of public broadcasters in disseminating news and information among the people. Assam Rifles of 9 Sector AR held a free medical camp at Kaibung village in Thawal district today. The medical team led by Commandant 2nd Assam Rifles provided assistance to people requiring medical help in remote areas. At least 600 patients were treated and given free medicines during the camp. The team also distributed free medicines to the locals. A free medical camp was also held by CMO Thawal today after people suffered from bouts of vomiting and diarrhea in and around Lilong Chingjao and Nungai Ching. The camp was conducted under the initiative of Lilong Gram Panchayat, Maulvi Faisal and DC Thawal. At least 250 persons were treated at the camp. A special general body meeting of Manipur State Cooperative Union Lamphilpat was held this morning at Rumahil Theatre, BT Road. The meeting resolved to open a technical engineering cell of the union. Chairman of the Institute of Cooperative Management L. Tompishak, Executive Officer Manipur State Cooperative Union Y. Ningthemba Singh and members of the union participated in the meeting. The meeting discussed filling of vacant posts of union among others. Annual meeting of Inat Yokat Apunba Lublen Cultural Preservation Center was held today at GM Hall. Members of the organization, including retired Deputy Commandant BSF R.K. Heramani and proprietor of Loktak Industry G.C. Sharma, attended the meeting. The gifts were presented to elderly persons at the event, which was highlighted by traditional performances. International Métis Forum will support and participate in the mass rally for common future of Manipur organized by AMUCO, CCSK and UCM on February 6. Khengjong Lang Drama Irilbong has been encouraging new theatre directors. A new play, Kaibu Kayoiba Nang Halakho, directed by Saugrapam Chinglen Nganba, will be staged at Rumal Theatre on February 3. The play is the first major production of Yening Performing Arts Center. The play is written by first Manipuri women NSD graduate Dr. Sanabam Thaninlaima, director of Khengjong Lang Center for Theatre Research and Production. Saugrapam Chinglen Nganba said the play is based on the popular Manipuri folk tale Kaibu Kayoiba and is an experimental play. He said it is an attempt to show that even though Kaibu Kayoiba eats like an animal, he has the heart of a human being, whereas the present man eats human food but does not have a heart.
Kabi Koyeba, Mashida, Yumpamur Kanda, Putuxaba Plane, Kabi Koyebagi, Mahana, Shigraba Matungi, Warida, when Yumpamur Kanda, Tawuni, Masigi Tim, the Akogi, Labor, Society Sida, Society now, Bong Torkanda, Akogi, Lady Bonipishing Sina, Muina, Tingnariba, Awaba Moye, Samasiamse, Masi, Putuk, Unaba, Adugo, Unanaba, Honabani, Tabatun Simana, Paro Matunda. Mana mai makuchal matungda ma makhunna bu tas tawgi deba aduga thajikang imijing di koi nepi oi bijing je mai makuchal kanda koi sarak tamdana tukbus yaugde.
Dr. Sanabam Thaninlaima said she was inspired to write a script after Chinglen Nganba told her about the story. Expressing grave concern at the present theatre movement in Manipur, she said the state once experienced vibrant theatre. She said lack of financial support is the reason.
Theater director da yam work to ba yam seriously work to ba director tholok ta base masidi amna ingon yam nungnang ba pokse ba aduna mana lalusina sinangam basina ai direction to ge se na harak basida da ai mangod yam morally physically yam support to na ba ise hotna bani at the play director oibegi magi creative process si aina mon moida angang singchida director oining ba satra singchida phanam na tambiraga su mai practical to na bagi chance ma phangdragadi production ma mount to the
first production of Wahong production, Thamoigi Marumda, was launched at an event held at Manipur Press Club this morning. Produced by Mohendro Laishram and directed by Dayananda, the film has Jeshmi in the lead role. Sahitya Seva Samiti Kakching and Film Forum Manipur have severed ties with the producer and the director of Nongalamdai Manglan, Tilai Kombitu, Teli Melai Kishi, Nang Nanokpa Yengningi for 2 years for submitting these films for the 5th Manifa Awards with fake censorship certificates. The decision in this regard was taken today in a meeting of executive members of Sahitya Seva Samiti Kakching.
Hantak pangthokiba mga suba Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur Film Award ta asaba certificate haibadi Central Board of Film Certification gi asaba certificate thajilamba film mangagi banner sing aduga producer sing bo sahi ani Sahitya Seva Samiti amasung Film Forum Manipur ga sahi ni karu makhal gi mariam to leina da bahaina look ani sina warep nare aduga Manipur film khonai bi masak yam thenba posak amani haina masigi phomki ba misak singna yam condemn tawi aduga masi yam haksin da silawi.
Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE will provide counseling from next month to students appearing for board examinations. Counseling will be provided through telephone, newspapers and also online to help students overcome exam-related stress. In a statement, CBSE said counseling will begin from February 1, that is tomorrow, and will continue up to April 22. Class 10 and 12 students in India can reach out to CBSE helpline at 1800-118-0004 in case of exam-related stress or other queries. CBSE experts will also answer queries of students through weekly question-answer columns in major national newspapers in February. For online advice, students can contact counseling.cbse@gmail.com and sugandh.cbse@gmail.com. For the 7th year, CBSE has arranged counseling for differently abled children to take care of the needs of special children. Nagaland may be given a separate official flag under the final accord expected to be signed soon. The Hindustan Times reported the news quoting sources familiar with the developments in the ongoing negotiations. A separate flag is one of the 33 demands made by the NSC and IM, which has been engaged in talks with central government since 1997. The newspaper reported that other demands include a separate constitution, dual citizenship and creation of Nagaland by integrating all Naga inhabited areas of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Nagaland. But the last demand is expected to be put on the back burner for now because of the position from other states. Under the final agreement, certain items are expected to be transferred from the central and concurrent list of the constitution to the state list, which would imply greater powers for Nagaland. The peace accord is expected in figure in the forthcoming budget sessions of Parliament, as the document will have a few clauses requiring parliamentary sanction. They include the concept of shared sovereignty, special constitutional privileges to safeguard the traditional rights of Nagas with recognition of the uniqueness of their history. Now in sports news, the 6th 57 Division Mountain Division Polo Tournament 2016 kicked off today at Imphal Polo Ground. All Manipur Horse Riding Association is organizing the tournament, sponsored by 57 Mountain Division. Major General S.S. Mishra, Honorary President of Manipur Equestrian Association, Dr. S. Joy Kumar, Director, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services, Dr. N. Rajendra Singh, and Honorary President of Manipur Tourism Forum, Dr. T.H.W. were among those who took part in the inauguration of the tournament. In opening match, Chinkai Hunba Polo Club Kongpal beat MPSC C 5-4. Major General S.S. Mishra told the media that through this tournament, the Army wants to promote the game of polo and improve the relationship with the people of Manipur.
Our endeavor is to promote polo in the state. Manipur, as you know, you all know, that is the origin place for the polo. And this is the place where the British learned polo and has spread it throughout the country and throughout the world. And we would like the polo to continue in this state. Through polo also to develop friendship with the people here, and we would like peace to prevail in the state. We would like all people who have picked up the gun to shun violence, join the mainstream and take part in the development of the state.
SYUC Uchekon beat North Eastern Zone Hockey 3-2 and SSB Lucknow drubbed Assam Police 13-1 in the second W. Thoibi Devi Challenge Hockey Men's Open Tournament. The tournament is organized by Manipur Hockey at Kumal Lampak Hockey Stadium with 11 teams, including 4 teams from outside the state, participating in it. Third Grassroots Football Development Program 2016, organized by Yai School Athletic Club in association with Arambai Football Manipur, kicked off from the 9th of this month at YAC ground. About 80 boys and girls are taking part in the program. AFC A license holder L. Nandakumar, who is expert in grassroots football development program, is training the young players. Speaking to Impact News, L. Nandakumar said the program is not just for skill development, but also to help the younger generation healthy.
Footballer loinabak semgani haibagi sunatabada sanabasina makhoi metabolism da healthy oinaba masagi mentally stress laikitaba larik tangata tuition da tv da phamdana sum leibadu adung bo stress to lehendana bahadna masama healthy oirakna bahaduna khone lampaki haina bisi su thamlaga ujigi matamgi leiriba fatraba jinjak chakhana leiba singsi sanababu lapthokkhibadagi amsu oinarakpa yai khallaga angang singsi sanabaromda khra mai onsan naba haiduna kuna yamna maru oina pikliba grassroots tagi akhina masigi pandam si sinjabani.
Now in cricket news, Cyclone Thangmaiban won third T20 Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association. In the final match played at Langtabal Public Ground, Cyclone Thangmaiban beat Chem Khagyempally by 12 runs. Winning the toss, Chem Khagyempally put Cyclone Thangmaiban into batting. Cyclone Thangmaiban made 142 runs for 4 in the stipulated 20 overs. In reply, Chem Khagyempally managed to score 130 for 5 in 20 overs. Cash prize for the winner was sponsored by Senior Audit Officer AG D. Rojit Kumar in the name of his father, while cash prize for the runners-up was sponsored by AO Horticulture Department D.H. Joy Kumar in the name of his father. Forty Assam Rifles of 9 Sector AR under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South has been organizing a 3-day state-level inter-club archery competition from January 30 to February 1. Competition is held in recurve, compound and Indian round events. 52 archers from 14 teams registered under Manipur Archery Association, including Assam Rifles archery team, are taking part in the competition. The General Body meeting of Manipur Judo Association will be held on March 6 at the house of the General Secretary of MJA, Soibam Indra Kumar. In a press release, MJA's Joint Secretary has asked the District Judo Associations to send 2 representatives at the meeting. Thales Yai School won the second state-level KSYC 4-men assigned Open Super Soccer Tournament organized by Kamakya Social Youth Club Hyangthang. In the final match played today, Thales Yai School defeated host KSYC Hyangthang 4-0. Kanchan scored a hat-trick, while Milan netted another goal to seal the match. HSNC Hauraivi bagged the 3rd position in the tournament. FC Imphal Mayai Koibi defeated Rai Brothers Pangai 4-2, while FC PK Yumnam Kuno thrashed IBH Mainolerak 11-0 in the second Nilesh Wahangbam state-level Open Futsal Football Tournament. The tournament is organized by Nilesh Wahangbam Memorial Trust and Usha Bhavan Club at Sagolband Sayang Pukri Mapal. Afimpa FCA beat Amik FCA 3-2 to win the Afimpa Invitational Football Tournament. The tournament was organized by Afimpa Football Club at Saudongbong Ground, Coimba Bazaar. And now, before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Kangam says government will develop the Saduchiru waterfall into a major tourist spot. BJP Manipur President Chauba declares that former DGP Joy Kumar will be expelled from BJP if found guilty in Sanjit fake encounter case. Organizers of Mass Rally for Common Future of Manipur appeal to Ansam and KSO to call off National Highway Band. And the 6th 57 Mountain Division Polo Tournament kicks off at Imphal Polo Ground.